What is up guys, today we have unboxing and brief review of the Xiaomi TV Stick 2nd generation 4K, which actually just recently released in 2025, and the box already you see it in front of you is quite nice. And the main difference from the TV Stick 1 is actually the Wi-Fi 6 here supported, it's written here. Quad-core processor, so before it was Cortex A53, now it's Cortex A55. GPU is also upgraded to Mali G310. 8GB of storage still here, and 8GB of storage here, and 2GB of RAM. Bluetooth 5.2 comparing to previously 4.2, which is also quite big upgrade. HDR10 supported, 10 plus even. Dolby Vision also was not supported before, and Dolby Atmos as well. Alright, so let's see how the box looks like. Again, Google TV. That's also a big change here, because before it was Android TV, Google TV is newer, based on Android 14, and actually just a newer generation should work faster. Hey Google supported and all the others. And manufacture date is June 2025, so brand new, and the model is MDZ33AA. Alright, so what is here, how to install it, from this side what's needed to power it on. And let's open it up. Actually, we need some scissors here, so let's open with the scissors. Okay, opened it up. And finally, let's unbox the package. Actually, it's more rounded comparing to first generation, and if you want to see the comparison between first and second generation, leave a comment below. I will make it because I have the first generation. Also, I have Realme TV Stick 4K. If you want this comparison, also leave a comment below. Alright, what we have here, actually, wow, we have a charger here. Okay, some paper, pointless. And that's how it looks like. It looks nice, I like such packages. Micro USB still here, no Type-C. Again, guys, come on, it's time to make it Type-C, as it's already outdated. Also, we have this HDMI extender. The stick itself, it's written that Xiaomi TV Stick 4K 2nd generation, made in China, 5.2 volts, 2 ampere, and that's how it looks like. Also some indicator here, Xiaomi, new logo, and rounded without any cover. You have the charger here, also quite nice, Xiaomi switch and power supply. 5.2 volts, 2 ampere, so 10.4 watts, specially designed for this device. And the remote control, no batteries, this is not allowed to send, I guess. 2 AAA batteries here. And the remote control is quite regular looking, so all the Prime, Amazon, Netflix, YouTube is here, apps, Xiaomi TV Plus, and actually new logo for Xiaomi. That's what we've got here. The package is quite nice, and we have everything what's needed here. What's next? So I will connect it to the TV, turn it on, and let's check it out. Alright, actually we've connected our Xiaomi Mi Stick to the TV. Let's set it up, so select the region. Okay, let's select the region. Let's just scan it using my phone. It will be much faster than log in by devices, so I will scan it now with QR code scanner. Set up, Google TV connected, this may take a few seconds. So actually you see my phone here, I scan it, very simple, verify using the fingerprint, and currently it's connecting, transferring Wi-Fi to your Google TV. Should be very fast, I guess. So I think it's connecting to Wi-Fi, then it will transfer the account later. Accept all the terms and conditions, help to improve, location, okay, accept. Stay up to date, sign up, okay. Allow, agree, turn on. Interesting, some date will be Gemini there, will be quite nice to use, even it will answer all your questions, and it's actually quite easy to integrate it. So let's hope with some update the Gemini will be here, so sometimes it's really nice to tell something, it will show to you. Choose your app services. Okay, YouTube Music, for example, confirm. Choose your energy mode. Critical control with other Google Assistant. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, Xiaomi TV, preparing your remote. Okay. Control your TV. Yes. Okay, so you see I'm controlling the sound of my TV, not of the box. Also quite convenient. Setting up your Google TV, estimating time remaining. No time is for now, so let's wait and I will be back to you. Alright, so finally the TV is loaded, so let's check it out, what we can find here. Let's start from the settings. So here is the fast settings, it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, accessibility, screensaver, you can clean, on and finish setup. For finishing setup, what it suggests, so you can set up multiple profiles, kids features and Google Photo screensaver. You don't need it, just click done. So actually it's finished. Let's go to the settings and check out what we've got. So actually, as you see, the settings even very similar with Android TV, Google TV, actually the same thing, only Android is newer. HDMI is AC, so here we have some more options. Auto change the language, I don't know what this, power off automatically, C skip play, enable HDMI Cs. Also you see I'm controlling with one remote control. I'm controlling the sound of TV, which is also nice. Text scaling, small, default and large, resolution, so automatically this TV support maximum 1080, so it's actually 1080p selected automatically. That is maximum. ISR, don't know what this. Dynamic range and color, so you can also select which color range you want to use, so it's selected automatically, I didn't touch it. Match content frame rate, seamless only, okay. Also advanced display settings, you have preferred dynamic range here can be selected. Also allow game mode and format selection can be also select. Let's check, show the format, what's this, hide the format. Okay, so here we have disabled formats, can we enable it? No, not here. Manually we can select it, I guess, but all of them unsupported for this TV. Screen position, zoom in, zoom out, you can select to fully fit your screen. Advanced sound settings, so you see some formats here, DAC4 dialogue enhancer. Network, actually nothing special, they just added quick connect button, scanning always available. Account and profiles you will skip. Privacy, it's location, microphone, camera, so you can control your privacy, I will not focus on it. Apps, so you can see all the installed apps including the system apps. You see Apple TV, Netflix, Prime, actually not that much, and more system available. Actually I think working well as I feel now. I don't use it that long time, but working good, I can tell you. Manage apps, so you can select auto update, see all the updates available. 7 is pending, so you see those apps can be updated. Let's click to update, and meanwhile we are reviewing, it will be updated. App permission, special app access and security can be selected here. System, so Ambition screen server appears. We can start now. Google Photos, Art Gallery. Actually, you see even some additional settings showing. Custom AI, Art. Also nice, you can select custom AI that will be available. Weather, time, personal photo data, portrait, Google Photos, personal photo creation and slideshow speed, all can be set it up. Power and energy, so energy mode, now it's 3 energy modes available. Low, optimize and increase, shut off timer also when inactive. Let's select 15 minutes is okay. About here, so system update, let's check it out whether some update is available. Okay, actually it's already installing the new update, and this version that I have, it was released in June, and now it's beginning of August, already one additional version is available. That's the Google TV name and the status. Okay, nothing special here. Model Mi TV IF-MU1, Android TV 14, that is actually quite important. Finally it's 14 comparing to previous version 11. Android TV OS security patch level March 2025, so I guess it will be updated. And here you have kernel version, all other information needed. Date and time can be selected, language, keyboard, storage. Let's check the storage. 4.4 gigabyte is the total space. What's the available space is, I think, available 2.8 gigabyte. Free app storage, so you can clear cache, you can uninstall the apps, even show you which apps can be uninstalled. For example, Netflix, you can uninstall it first. If you don't use it, then disable it. And after you see storage is cleared, so you already cleared some memory and it's not installed anymore. Also for other like Prime Video, you can do the same things. If you don't use it or it's not available in your region, then you disable it and you save some memory on it. So not that many apps can be removed, but actually also you can clear the cache. Cast here, so you have 3 options: always, while casting, never. So it's for notification, system sound, and disable, restart. Accessibility, nothing special here, just review. I think it's just regular accessibility from Xiaomi. Remote, so you can set up remote buttons, adjust wall. Okay, what's this? Set up remote buttons. You can turn your TV on, off, and adjust the volume using a remote. So actually it's working. Nice. And this Xiaomi remote control, which is battery level showing and firmware as well. Help and feedback. Okay, so for settings, as you see, it's very similar. For main menu also, as you see, nothing special here. Actually all same as in previous version. Looks nice, working nice. Actually no really issues available. Library is empty. Search is here, so you can do whatever you want, find some movies. Also it's supporting Google Assistant here, so you can talk to it directly. And some shortcuts like YouTube, for example. When you click on it, of course YouTube is starting. When you click on apps, so you just open in your apps. Okay, that's YouTube launched. What else here? Of course you can download any app using the Play Market here. So let's find the Play Market. I guess it's app categories you select and it's already built in, so you can download any app or search for it separately. There is no exactly like Play Market, I cannot see it at least. So actually it's built in. Patch wall here, what is the patch wall? Let's open it up. Okay, it's not available in my region. Xiaomi TV Plus app. Watch now. Okay, let's check if it's free. Okay, interesting, doesn't work in my region as well, I guess. No, it works. Okay, working well. And you can download any apps, depends on your region. So just open the app, install. Basically, as you see, Play Market is built in. No rubbish apps here. You can remove almost all of them actually, and you will be empty stick. That's quite nice optimization, and in general it works well. Everything is fast and smoothly. Working well, much faster since working for others. And also you see Android system update available. You need to hold for house button. Let's hold, then let's update it. And actually for the review itself, that's pretty much it. Working well. I really suggest to update in case you have some previous version, or in case you have you just want to buy the new version. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Put the thumbs up. And I forget to mention about the price. The price is perfect. It's only $40. You can get it quite cheap, and it's comparable to previous version, supporting 4K. So I think for this price it's perfect stick in 2025. And I really suggest to update in case you have Realme stick on Xiaomi First stick, or if you don't have any stick at all, it's a good option. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.